everything around me moved in slow motion. The girls think I'm crazy, I kinda agree, but it's hard to be cool whenever you look at me. And I can be immature when I'm lying on the floor, photoshopping us together like I'm on yours, but you just learned my name and I think that's kinda whack. Have you seen my sweet shoes and my new backpack yet? Somebody tell me why this hurts so bad, and why can't I find someone like my dad? I love you, Dad. Why can't you just see what I see? When you say I'm just a friend, you tell me I'm just a friend. I think I could make you happy, but you say I'm just a friend. Tell me I'm just a friend, so I'll be that. Oh, I'll be that. I guess that's that, but I don't wanna be just that. You probably think I'm too young to feel this way. To you, I'm a crush that just won't go away. So even if you move on and have a happy life, I promise I will pray for you, 'cause I'll be doing fine. See, I can try to be mature like nothing's really wrong, but you'll probably know I'm faking by the time you hear the song. And I don't mind saying how I feel, as long as I stay true and keep it real. Somebody tell me why love takes so long. I think I just watched Reba with my mom. Yeah. Why can't you just see what I see? When you say I'm just a friend, you tell me I'm just a friend. I think I could make you happy, but you say I'm just a friend. Tell me I'm just a friend, so I'll be that. Oh, I'll be that. I guess that's that.
I don't know, baby sis,
But I don't wanna be.
but I'ma tell you like this. You ain't gotta rush, love, girl, slow down. When you meet him, you gon' know, wanna know how? He gon' treat you right, make you the queen of life. If he don't, then I'ma take him out. Psych, all kidding aside, God has the perfect one that was made for you, designed to worship God, and he sees your beauty and true purpose. So baby sis, trust the process, it's worth it.
Oh, Father, I will place this in your hands.
That's right.